What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol MRNA for Moderna Inc. This, of course, is the vaccine provider. On the left-hand side, the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First thing to point out is that this is more of an update since we did cover this one recently, and sure as heck, as I was mentioning, this is not the greatest place for a new long position. We did see that pullback. So we went right to the support trend line from the daily perspective. We went through some of these intraday levels that we had mapped out. Let's first just, again, noting that we are here from the daily perspective, let's shift the attention to the 30-minute to start here. So looking at the 30-minute, did our levels sort of act the way they should? Yes, certainly. I mean, look at this. A back test failed to accept back above, went lower. These two, not so much, kind of sliced right through them, and then got into that support trend line that we discussed from the daily perspective here. So all things considered, we are seeing an aggressive pullback after an overall uptrend. What you have to keep in mind now is where is the potential pullback second wave of buyers going to come in. I would argue because we're at the support trend line now, you need to be on high alert for this to start happening on an intraday time frame basis. Now let's just flip on the extended hour session, kind of get a feel for if anything crazy is happening given today's sell-off, and not really, slightly dribbling lower. So let's just assume that we're going to open kind of within range where we're at, no huge gap in one direction or another. So all things considered, if we open around this area, what we might want to see happen is a further push lower, and you might be saying, what the heck, further lower? Yes, to about 360, and the reason being, of course, is because it was this prior breakout in here from the daily perspective. If we did that, did something like this for a bounce, put in a right shoulder, right? Now, what are we trying to get at here? Inverted head and shoulders forming some sort of neckline here, call it 390. This could totally change after tomorrow's price action, but looking for a reversal pattern after all of these sellers, everyone has essentially, flipped to the short side here in today's action. As if this even shows remote signs of squeezing back to the upside, those shorts will cover and we should see a nice move higher. We're also getting that wave two of buyers who said, wow, I missed out on this move here. I'm waiting to buy the pullback. I can see this was the prior breakout point. It would make sense that we start to see support there. So that's how I'm thinking about Moderna going forward. 360 is kind of the area I want to see hold as support. If we do start trading underneath it, I would kind of be more skeptical about a more aggressive long to the upside, to targets to the upside. If we take out that neckline, of course, 400 psychological. After that, I would still place importance on 410, but really then it's the 432 simply because of how we had highs and that perfect backtest rejection all at that area. So very technical level there at 432. If that being said, if you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, let me know down below in the comments section or by simply leaving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, we wish you a green trading week.